There we go. So today we got a package. That is the wrong key. That is the... But first we're gonna stop by and talk to our little friend outside kitty. This is outside kitty. Now we're gonna finish going into the garage with the right set of keys. But yes, so today I got a package. I actually got something that I ordered on I don't think I ordered it on Black Friday. Might have ordered it a little bit after, but I'll open it. I believe I actually know what this one is, so that'll make it a little bit more exciting. But is it? Oh, this is not what I thought it was. This is something I ordered, not what I ordered on Black Friday. Did it say? Oh no, it was on the receipt. So this is actually a shirt I ordered from Zumiez. As you can see, this one is not the R32, it's the Hakosuka. It says some stuff about the car on the back. I got it because it is also one of my favorite JDM cars. And when I ordered this, I had already bought myself a hoodie that had the taillights of the GTR on it, along with the taillights of the MK4 Supra on it. And I don't remember what it had on the front, but they have a couple other things that I want to get as well, but I'm not going to worry about getting those until later, because there's some other stuff. But I'll just give you an update on the GTR since I'm in here. I got the battery for it over there, currently running an AGM battery because the Japanese battery for it died, as I might have mentioned before, but the Japanese battery for it is sitting over here in all its glory. I'm sort of kind of just going to keep not an OEM part, because not all the parts on the car are still OEM, but like a wall of what was once from the car. But yeah, I went to a meet the other day, and there were some people there that annoyed me because they kept doing burnouts next to my car, getting rubber chunks all over it, but I got all of it off whenever I washed it, and I kept getting it off by hand. I moved the sword I had to the back so you can actually see it, sort of kind of a display. I need to shift it over a little bit, and I actually have a stand for it. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the stand in there or if I'm just going to shift it over and find a way to have it stay in place. But yeah, she's pretty much completely put up for the winter. I wasn't supposed to bring her back out when I went to that meet this past weekend, but I did. So now she's just sitting here until after winter. I had already recently done a fresh oil change. Battery's on a tender, that's why it's over there, along with the battery for my bike. Some other stuff I'm gonna do is not after winter, but a little bit closer to when it's time for me to bring her out. I'm going to do another oil change, and then I'm also going to add more coolant. I might do a whole coolant dump because I know it recently had fluids added, so the coolant's good. It just it could use a little bit more. And then there was one other thing I was gonna do. I don't remember what it was, but yeah, that's pretty much the update. This isn't what I thought it was, but it's still something nice. So, yep.